Welcome to Mike's Beer Channel on YouTube. Dab, off to new adventures.
You weren't gonna like dab.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Today we're doing Bird Dog flavored whiskey. We've done their peanut butter, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Isn't that the one we liked better than Screwball?
Yeah.
So
I'm
today
pretty sure.
we're trying apple and blackberry.
Hmm.
Now, even though we're in our bar, I could only come up with 2 shot glasses.
Well, the rest of the shot glasses are inside.
But we're in the bar.
Well,
Mm.
we like to keep stuff in the air conditioning. We live in Florida, after all.
Double check.
What are you doing?
I was double checking, but never mind. So I'm going to pour half of these in my favorite shot glasses that I've
Why
had
is
forever.
the robot holding a bow? I'm sorry, it totally distracted me.
A bow?
Yeah.
What goes with his leg?
Oh, well,
I don't know.
apparently he's a player.
No, that doesn't seem fair, does it? Ooh, that doesn't seem fair either. Okay.
Seems normal to me.
Apple, blackberry. All right.
Which one are we doing first?
Well, I guess we're doing blackberry first because that's how I wrote it down in the beer
the
Bible.
bippity boppity boo?
I don't know. That was my first drink. Was right there, the first sips. I haven't had anything to drink
Well, that's
yet.
what your problem is.
My palate is cleansed. Blueberry or blackberry.
Goodness gracious. Oh, well, don't wait for me.
I can't really. Looks like I'm snorting it.
Kind of smells like whiskey,
That's a good start.
but it does smell a little berry-like. And not that strong whiskey-like. Like, it almost smells like a berry wine cooler, but then you get kind of a whiskey after scent. I don't think that's a thing. I just made it up.
Can you
All
read
right.
the proofage?
I can't read anything. I don't have my reading glasses.
Ow! 80 proof. This is actually full strength. What? I don't see.
Kind of coat your mouth a little.
Yeah, sir. A lot of the flavored whiskey, I just. What are you supposed to do with it? I'm not a mixed drink person, really.
I don't even know what you would mix this with, though. I think this would just be an on the rocks kind of whiskey, honestly.
I don't think I could sit and drink
Unless
this
you
on the
were going to
rocks.
mix it with some kind of seltzer. And then what's the point of drinking whiskey?
That's a. Whoa.
Well,
Whoa. That's genius. Okay. So are we giving it a thumbs up, thumbs down? I mean, it's good. I just don't know what you would do with it. How about apple? Do you want to try the
is it
apple?
going to be an on the rocks or it would be a
Okay. You're going rocks.
mix with seltzer? I honestly can't see anything else you would do with it. I wouldn't want to mix it with anything with flavor, really. Maybe ginger ale. Except for I think ginger ale would overpower the berry.
Yeah. I mean, the first thing I think of, vodka. I'd mix it with vodka.
Whiskey and vodka. What is whiskey and vodka together as a drink? Is that like an old fashioned?
No, old fashioned is normally bourbon and some other stuff.
Oh. Oh, anyway.
Let's try apple. Apple you would put in. We've tried apple before. Oh, it smells straight Jolly Rancher.
It does. Apple teeny with a kick.
Apple teeny? Oh! Oh, you could use this for an apple teeny. There is no blackberry teeny, is there?
If there's any kind of teeny you want to make a teeny.
The apple tastes like candy to me. And the blueberries.
I thought it was blackberry. You're
is
confusing
blackberry.
me.
Blackberry flavored whiskey. Yeah.
Well, I'm not really much of a whiskey drinker anyway. But I have to say, if I was gonna drink whiskey, like, because I had no other option and I really wanted a drink, I would rather have the flavored stuff than the regular whiskey.
Because when I think of whiskey, I'd rather have this.
Yes, I'm sure you would. Did you just show that to the light instead of to the camera that's over here?
Yes, I'd rather have this.
You
than
have
drinking
not had that
whiskey.
much to drink yet. What's
I
wrong with
know.
you? Oh crap! I forgot which one was which.
Okay.
This is the berry.
I mean, if you're into mixed drinks, these aren't. I mean, the apple's not bad. It seems like something. But if you're just gonna mix them with seltzer, wouldn't it be better just to buy a seltzer that's already mixed? I mean, it's a lot lower proof.
Well, yeah. Plus, it's also seltzer's not usually mixed with whiskey.
No, not normally. Tonic water, maybe.
What is the difference between seltzer and tonic water?
I do not know.
Huh? You gonna try it?
But I have club soda.
Oh,
Little club soda. It is a bar after all.
it is indeed.
Do you want to try it too?
Sure. Well, first of all, it's warm
It is warm.
and very flat.
God knows how long it's been here.
So it really just tastes to me like you just added more water to your. Yeah.
Okay. Hang on. I've got a different plan. This is actually seltzer,
Yeah.
so it won't be flat.
Oh, it still fizzed a little, so that's
Yeah.
good.
We'll do a little more because there's more left in this bottle. But hey, who knows? It's still recording, right?
Is there any ice in the freezer?
No.
No. Okay.
It stopped working. I don't know how to fix it.
Oh.
And it's out of warranty. All right.
There's probably a YouTube video for that.
Probably. The blueberry.
Shout out YouTube.
Woo, shout out YouTube.
Yeah.
One of my fellow YouTubers probably has done a video on how to fix the fridge. Just like a fellow YouTuber of mine fought Mike Tyson over the weekend.
Oh my goodness.
I'm a YouTuber. I got a channel.
Now you need to make sure you release this video right away because otherwise it won't make sense.
Oh, see, that tastes a lot better. With the seltzer.
It definitely needs ice though.
So I'm giving the
Oh, but it's all
apple.
yours.
I'm giving the apple a check mark. I can go with the apple.
A check mark?
Yeah, I approve.
Oh.
My name is Mike, and I approve this liquor. Kind of.
Okay, so the vampire.
It's
Like-
creepy.
We haven't addressed the vampire, and
Creepy.
he didn't freak me out so bad until now because the light is shining in his eyes and they're like
Well, I could have turned it
glowing
on.
back at me, and it's freaking me out a little, honestly. And he hasn't really scared me before, but he's our new bar friend.
Really? Because he was standing there and scaring
Yeah,
the piss out of me every
didn't
time I
scare me
opened.
for that at all. But
Reminded me of those angels from Doctor Who, waiting for him to turn around and come after me. Anyhow, the blueberry, good, bad, blackberry, blackberry, good, bad, maybe.
it's all right.
All right, I'll give it a half check.
I mean, I'm a bad person to ask because I don't like whiskey.
That is true. Anyhow, if you like flavored whiskey and you can think of something to mix them with, these are good choices. Like, subscribe, smash the notification button. Till next time.